Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly explain how to build in Heartopia, perfect for beginners who are just getting started. So first, to enter build mode, you want to go to your home plot and tap the build icon. It looks like this one. Now you'll see some basic building rules. Just go ahead and accept them and you are in. From here, there are two camera views. The default view shows your character and it's great if you're brand new. But if you tap the button at the top right, you'll switch to advanced build mode. This one right here, which gives you a top-down sim style view. This is best for roofs and outside work. At the bottom left, you'll find here your furniture inventory and building items like floors, walls, doors, windows, and stairs, and some items unlock later as you level up your DG membership. You want to use the paintbrush icon to paint items as you place them in paint mode to recolor walls, floors, and ceilings with different textures and patterns. To build upward, just place stairs, remove the ceiling above, and add a second floor. Don't worry about mistakes, deleting items refunds your coins, so experimenting is very safe. For roofs, always use advanced mode, place ceiling floors first, then resize and curve the roof pieces to say so they snap properly. One last tip, at DG level 8, you unlock blueprints. Save your house before making changes so you can restore it anytime if something goes wrong. And that's a quick beginner guide to building in Heartopia. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!